Alright, this will be a May 2023 checkup on the elevator here at the Dick's Sporting Goods store inside of the Park Meadows Mall in Lone Tree, Colorado. It's a 1996 Schindler MT with an epic motor. Last time I filmed this was 6 months ago in November of 2022. The motor kind of sounds like the Seattle Kraken gull horn. I'm not gonna lie. We're doing an impact cam straight off the bat since this elevator has been very busy lately. Awesome motor. Yes, it definitely sounds like the Seattle Kraken NHL team. Let's get a cab view as we head down. I'm gonna do it kind of quick because this thing has been very busy lately. This was filmed on Mother's Day. Your indicator of Schindler, phone cabinet with all your switches, firefighters, and your MT fixtures. All right, here we go. Button already went out. There you go. Coming down. Lower level. This is a busy elevator. I mean, it's Mother's Day, so expect a lot of people shopping around here. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, we'll end the video inside the elevator, and that's it.